Hey ladies, sorry it took me a while to get you this video, but here is a quick video on how to track your mileage using Excel sheets. If you don't want to use Excel, go ahead and just print this and do it by hand. That works too, but Excel does the math for you and it's kind of simple once you learn it. So I thought I'd do a video in case you're interested in learning to do it online. Or not online, digitally. And if you know all of this, just skip the video and use the Excel sheet. So this is the sheet used to track what percentage of your driving is fostering driving, and it will help us figure out if we're getting fairly compensated. So start of odometer reading. So right here in B2, you would type in whatever your odometer reading is for the month of November at the beginning. And if you obviously were a weekend, so just estimate. We were in our van, we're about 49,000. And then you would just start here, you type in the date and the reason you're driving somewhere. So that reason could be you're going to the early years center, maybe you're picking up a babysitter someday, maybe you're going to an FPA meeting. Or you're buying clothes for your little ones, or whatever it is. We're trying to track anything that's related to our children, that you wouldn't be doing this driving if you weren't fostering. So you're going to a liaison meeting, your volunteer appreciation dinner, like anything that has to do with fostering, we want to know how are you tracking it. So you put the address of where you started and where you're going. And since we're not turning this into anyone right now, you can just put home and then whatever place you're going. So Bell Lane, and then say whether it's round trip or not. So usually I do round trips. I don't do lots of things back to back. And then for total kilometers, a trick here, if it is a round trip, put the equal sign in and then say it's, for me, 22.3 kilometers. Then I would also put the asterisk for times, and then I do just times 2 so that it automatically calculates the kilometers for there and back. And then if you press enter, it does the math for you. You can also see that down here it showed me my fostering distance. It automatically did it. I have the equation in that cell, so it's going to total up all your fostering driving. So maybe this time along I was picking up a babysitter and it was only 10 kilometers, so I'm just going to do times 2. And then an FPA meeting was 17.5 kilometers, and that was also times 2. And basically, as you can see, as I'm adding this, my fostering distance is going up and up and up. And then say at the end of the month, I did 10,000 kilometers. So I would put 59,000 is basically at the end of the month, what is your odometer reading? So right here, it'll show me my total distance traveled and my fostering distance traveled and what percentage of that travel was related to fostering. So obviously in this case, I only did 100 kilometers because I didn't do too much driving in my example. So it's less than 2%, less than 0.2%, so it's not going to be high. And then the other thing here we need to keep track of is your vehicle expense total. So that includes filling up your gas, that includes getting your winter tires on, oil changes, switching your windshield wipers, anything that's related to keeping your car running in optimal condition. So if you do the equal sign, you can say, say it was $80 to fill up your tank. And then if you do plus, you can just keep adding each time. So say my winter tire swap was $35, and that's it for now. So then as you can see, it added it for me. And then anytime I want to, I can open up this document, click here, and then at the top, there's this bar that shows me my formula bar. So if I click in the formula bar, it shows me equals 80 plus 35. So I can just keep adding expenses into this one box. So I do plus 58, plus 100, plus 23, etc. So it will show me how much money I spent on my car, including gas and maintenance in that month. And then it would show me how much money I should be paid from FNCS to cover the additional driving I did for fostering. So in this case, with my short driving and 10,000 kilometers and not a lot of expenses, or sorry, it's a decent amount, but I only should have gotten 50 cents. So in this case, I would end up winning with FNCS because we get more than 50 cents. But in other cases, we might see that we're short. So this is it. Make sure when you save it. Oh, and you can, sorry, one last thing. Down here, you can see that we're doing November 2018. So what we do for December, we just click on the next tab, December, and it's all ready for you to start in December. So go ahead and start tracking your mileage now. I'm sorry it's a bit delayed. If you have any questions, let me know. I'm happy to walk through this with you if you want more help. All right, see you guys later. Bye-bye.